there was going to be snow, and it ended up working out. So that's cool. This is exactly what I needed. But you can still kind of hear the highway. But it's okay. Not really. Oh my God. Anyways, this is still cool. It's so cold. I feel like I've been working my ass off just to get this fire started, but it feels so relaxing here. I feel like I just wish it was snowing. Looks like my fire is kind of slowly dying. I'm gonna go find some wood, or maybe, I don't know, maybe go to the store, because pretty much everything around here is super wet from the snow, and I'm having a hard time keeping this fire lit. I have to show you because I don't know. This might be bad, I don't know. But if you're in a tight squeeze and you don't have a fire starter or anything, get Doritos. I swear to God. Like, it's just so amazing because I was trying to get this fire started for a really long time. Then I remembered that I have Doritos. And it keeps it lit for a really long time. This is the next best thing. Even though I don't want to waste my Doritos, I really want to eat them. But it looks like I might have to go to the store or chop some wood. Not sure. We'll see. Right now I'm heading to the car because I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna find maybe some dry firewood and most importantly snacks. So yeah, I just wanted to go on a little adventure. It'll be dark definitely on my way back, but that's okay because I have my little headlamp right here and a camera to talk to. So it's not weird at all, you know? They didn't end up having firewood, but this will keep me warm. Two-hearted. And I got more Doritos because I ran out. So that'll be my firewood for tonight. Jesus. I'm a little blinded. I love wearing a headlamp. Like, it's just a really guilty pleasure of mine. I look like a nerd, but like in the best way possible, you know? So, any excuse to wear my headlamp, I'm there. I literally can't even believe it's like 6 p.m. right now. Like it's so dark right now. So whatever. And this is exactly why I do trips like this, because I just needed to like get away, drive a couple hours away from my house and just relax by a fire. There's no electricity here. There's no Wi-Fi. Yeah. It's very, very like rustic camping. It actually makes me feel like I am forced to get out of my comfort zone and learn, which is literally exactly what I want to do. And I like testing myself. I just love this kind of stuff. Like, I thrive off of struggling. Does that make sense? I don't know. I just really enjoy learning and pushing myself to my ability, and I don't know, learning, honestly. I feel like people think it's like so strange and crazy if I like, I don't know, randomly do something that I've been wanting to do, but it's like you can't always expect people to want to come with you, and that's why this is like my motivation and this is what I like doing, so I go do it. Got my little pocket knife. We're gonna cut this open because I clearly can't do it with my bare hands.